Never a good sign. Got a 2001 Acura Integra in the shop today. We are going to be doing a timing belt water pump service. I think the water pump is leaking from the weep hole. So let's get started. Now we're looking underneath the car. So timing belt side. If we look up here, you can see the weep hole area is leaking. This is a pretty easy service. All you gotta do is take the valve cover off. These timing covers gotta come off. In order to access timing covers, just gotta remove this. Power steering. I just usually move it out of the way. To get the belt out, you have to take the mount off. And then we gotta take the wheel off just to get some more clearance down on the bottom to work. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, before I remove the crank pulley, I'm gonna turn this thing into TDC. You see these cam gears say up right here, and then about right there, there's a little mark. This needs to turn till it's here. This one has one right there, and that's gonna turn down, and they're gonna line up with each other. Up will be pointing up. There's actually a little mark here on the timing cover that those two little notches line up with. So just a little fun fact, 90% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed. So help me get to 1,000 subscribers by smashing that subscribe button. Thanks. Okay, so we got the timing covers off. I just loosened the tensioner for the timing belt. And here's our water pump. You can see it's leaking down there. That's where the weep hole is. Right there. So just gotta remove the belt from the top. Timing belt is ready to go back on. I got the bottom gear here. I got this notch lined up with the oil pump right there. So the bottom is set. Just gotta line up the top. I forgot to hit record here on this lower timing cover and putting on the crank pulley and belt down here. But you saw the disassembly, so just play that in reverse. You'll see how to put it back on. And that's a wrap. She's now running. Didn't take too long. About 3 hours. I was moving slow. I ate lunch at that, in between that as well. So, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.